Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Cleansing Oil, which is suitable for all skin types and can be used daily in the morning and or evening to effectively remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, sunscreen as well as makeup, which also includes mineral sunscreen and waterproof makeup. It leaves the skin very hydrated and nourished, rinses off completely clean without a residue, and it does not clog pores. So let's see how you can use it. Now remember, as it is a cleansing oil, that it needs to be applied to dry skin. So either apply to dry bare skin or on top of your sunscreen and or makeup to properly break it down. And I recommend dispensing about 1 to 2 palms into clean dry hands, so in the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together to warm up the product and to distribute the product. And then massage it all over your face and neck for about 1 to 2 minutes, including around your eyes and on top of your lips. Make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth. And use gentle circular motions, making sure to get into every corner, especially if you're trying to break down your sunscreen and or makeup. Once you have massaged it all over your face and neck, you now can go ahead and rinse it off using lukewarm water to warm water, but avoid hot water, otherwise it may dry out your skin. Now the rinsing off part can be done above the sink or in the shower, depending on your preference. Once you splashed water all over your face and neck, you can see that it starts to emulsify. If you like to, you now can go over your entire face and neck again and then rinse it off completely. When washing your face above the sink, you can find it quite difficult to effectively remove your cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup from the skin. This is why I usually suggest using a soft, clean microfiber washcloth. Wet it using lukewarm water to warm water, squeeze it out, and then use the damp washcloth to go over your entire face and neck again, especially along the hairline, maybe around your eyes or lips, to effectively remove any last traces of your cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup. Now I recommend rinsing your face again. And now go ahead, take a clean towel and gently pat all over to remove any excess water drops from the skin surface, to ensure, if you now want to continue with the rest of your skincare routine, that your products are going to layer properly, that they can fully absorb into the skin, do not lead to skincare pilling, or in the worst case scenario create sensitivity. And now you can leave it as it is and just use the cleansing oil to properly cleanse your face, and then there you have it, or continue with your usual morning or evening skincare routine. Or if you want to look into Beauty of Joseon skincare products and you want to see what an example routine can look like, I have prepared one for you. Here you can see the morning skincare routine. Always make sure to choose the specific treatments for your skin type and skin concerns, but overall start off with your cleansing oil if you want to use that one in the morning. Then you may want to move on to your toner or specific essence, then your specific serum, and then lastly your sunscreen to properly protect the skin if you have sun exposure. As for the evening skincare routine, it can look pretty much the same when keeping the focus on Beauty of Joseon skincare products, just without the sunscreen step, and you may want to replace it with a moisturizer. However, you can use the cleansing oil in the evening on its own or in a double cleansing routine. And when using it in a double cleansing routine, the oil cleanser is going to be the first cleanser, and then you're moving into your regular water-based cleanser. For example, Beauty of Joseon Green Plum one, which is great for all skin types. And then this is what a double cleansing routine routine can look like. Below the example routine, you have the general guide, which should help you to understand how you can use individual products and how much you would need to use of them if you're trying to recreate it at home. And so if you want to go over the example routine in your own time and you want to see more information about the products that I have picked, for whom they are suitable and what they do and so much more, I'll leave everything in the PowerPoint, which is in the description box down below, and you can even save it to your device if you want to recreate it. And this is what I wanted to share with you on how you can use Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Cleansing Oil. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, that you find it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check out my YouTube channel for more educational skincare content. And I will see you there. Happy skincaring!